Hello, dear friend. Today we are going to do another chapter, The Missile Man. This is the answer key for class 7. Please subscribe my channel because I am working very hard for you to bring all this material. I am arranging this material from somewhere. So please subscribe my channel and please watch my videos so that it could encourage me to bring more material for you. And if you want any chapters summary explanation question answer any kind of material, please comment in the box. I will try to bring material for you as soon as possible. Now let's see the answers. This is from Unit 4. I have done it. Section 1, The Missile Man, an interview with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer orally. Student will answer this question on their own. Multiple choice question. Take the correct answer in each. Answer number 1 is part B, a teacher. Answer number 2 is part D, integrated guided missile development program. Answer 3 is part B, classical Carnatic music. Next exercise, read and answer. Answer number 1. After learning and understanding about the birds at the seashore, Kalam decided to further study about flights. Answer number 2. Prithvi, Akash, Trishul, Nag and Agni are the 5 major projects of IGMDP. Answer number 3. APJ Abdul Kalam said nuclear energy can be used for power generation, medical application and irradiation of seeds for quality agriculture. Answer number 4. According to Abdul Kalam, the inequality can be resolved only by enhancing the number of seats is professional courses can opt for distant education programs, reducing the load on classroom education. Next exercise is think and answer. Answer number 1 is part A. Yes, a practical example can make the understanding easy. Part B, learning by doing practical. The examples and discussion are few methods for learning different concepts. Answer number 2, Kalam visualized a different profile of India by 2020. According to him, India would be a nation where urban and rural division would be reduced to a very thin line. India would be a nation which would have best schools, most talented scholars, scientists and investors. Best of health care would be available. The government would be responsive, transparent and corruption free. Crimes would be removed against children and women. Answer number 3, Abdul Kalam stressed that if the youth has an aim in life, realize that time spent cannot be recovered. The precious time will be used in achieving the goals. Confidence to win and defeat would lead to success. Next exercise, reference to context. On part A, Abdul Kalam said this to his teacher. Part B, these words were said in the school. Part C, he decided that his future study would be related to flight and flight sciences and that he had got a goal and mission in life. Part D, when Kalam went to college, he took physics, and when he went for engineering, his subject was aeronautical engineering. Next exercise, horse questions. Answer number 1, student will write their views about the future of India and what India would be like in the year 2020. Answer number 2, we learned that one should be focused, determined and dedicated to achieve his/her aim. He should learn the value of time. One should have a righteous heart in order to succeed in life and successfully achieve one's objectives. Word quiz is answer is part B, entire. Next exercise is talk. Use words like I think, I can, you go ahead, etc. Part A, one can read newspaper and another friend can watch television after lowering volume. Part B, one can watch a James Bond movie or a Hindi movie according to the availability in different theaters. Part C, appreciate each other's liking for music and listen to ghazals and popular songs one after the other. Next exercise, grammar. Adjectives. Answer number 1, cleverest. Number 2, better. Number 3, difficult. Number 4, best. Number 5, more fashionable. Number 6, loose. Next exercise, comparison of adjectives. Answer number one's answer is part A, girls talk the most. Second's answer is part B, Meena's hands are softer as compared to mine. Answer number 3 is part B, nobody is taller than Amitabh Bachchan in Bollywood. Answer number 4 is part C, all of these. Uh, Answer number 5 is part C, Rohan got the best marks in all. Next exercise, be word wise. Crowd cheer, pickle preserve, flag hoist, knot open, lotion apply, curd set, nuts and bolts oil, post capture, wall hanging hang, field plow. Okay, that's all about this chapter. Now let's do the poem also with this chapter. This time I am including a poem also with the chapter, so that you can get profit in one video. You can get two things in just one, or you can call it a combo. Section 3 from the same unit. Poem is the village blacksmith. The poem describes a local blacksmith and his daily routine. He works under the huge banyan tree. He is a big tan man with large muscular hands which are as strong as beyond bands. He has black, long, crisp hair, and his face is wet with the sweat of hard work. He is not afraid of anyone because he doesn't fear anyone or anything. He works week after week from morning till night. The sound of his hammer can be heard like a church bell in the evening. Though he seems stern, he is very soft hearted. Children returning from school often watch him at work and are fascinated at the shaft like sparks flying from the flaming fire. He is a family man. It can be seen from the fact that he goes to church with his fellow men and is happy to hear his daughter sing in the village choir. Her, her voice reminds him of his mother's voice singing in heaven, and thinking of her, he sheds a tear. In this way, his life goes on. He works hard and then settles for a well deserved rest. The poet learns a lesson from the blacksmith that we can also shape our fortune by working hard and by giving our best to it. A little more of the poem. Number 1 is part D. Number two's answer is part D. Number 3's answer is part D. Number 4 is part B. Number 5 is part B. Answer number 6. These are school going village children on their way back from school. Answer number 7. The poet has portrayed the feelings and emotions of the village blacksmith very beautifully in these lines. He is attached to his family and especially his wife who has passed away. When he hears his daughter sing in the choir, he is reminded of his wife's melodious voice. It seems to him that she is singing from up above in the paradise. He truly misses her and sheds a tear in her memory. The family appears to be religious as they visit the church every Sunday. He hears the parson pray and participate in activities there. The words with his of his eyes indicate that though he is a tough and strong man, but his heart is soft. The feelings of happiness at his daughter's performance and a deep sense of loss and sorrow are simultaneously portrayed in these lines. Answer 8 is part B. He has deep rooted strength. Answer number 9. The village blacksmith is a laborious man and very focused. He works from morning till night with complete concentration and is not distracted by anything. He is dedicated towards his work and is honest too. At the end of the day, he feels a deep sense of satisfaction, which shows that he is contented in his world. He is also a perfectionist as he does swing his heavy sledge with measured beat. Though he is physically strong and tough, he is tender hearted with feelings and great love for his wife and family. He sheds a tear in her memory and feels happy to hear his daughter perform. It reflects his attachment to his family. Okay, friends, that's all. Very soon I will bring more material for you. Thanks. Goodbye.